Some users provided feedback stating that they wish to disable the Encrypt Local Backup option in iTunes or Finder, but have forgotten the password for the encrypted backup. Are you experiencing the same situation? No worries, AnyUnlock can be used to remove the iTunes backup encryption of your iOS device. Let's get started. Download AnyUnlock and launch it on your PC or Mac. Click Remove iTunes Backup Encryption feature. Connect your iOS device with computer via USB cable. When the device has been detected, the device information will be displayed. If Find My iDevice option has been enabled, please turn it off at first. Click Remove Now icon. The removing process starts. Please wait for some time. Keep the device well connected, and do not use the device or exit AnyUnlock. Please do not open Finder or iTunes during the process. Now the backup encryption has been removed. Please complete the setup on your device.